Howdy viewers, Bobby Brown out here with the old 74 Bugadoodle and my chocolate lab named Paul. Just tensioned up the belt on this thing. For those of you who are bug fanatics, I ignore my ignorance, but for those of you who don't know, this is a two-piece pulley and these are shims. This split pulley, if you will, you start with as many shims as you can get in here, of course, because the wider the pulley is, the lower the belt will ride in the pulley. And then as you remove the shims and the pulley gets tighter in this fashion, the belt does tension as well. So the other belt was stretched out. I had to put another belt on it. This one's a little bit smaller, obviously. And I still have a couple shims inside here, I think 3. So I have plenty of shims to work with and tension the belt in the future. She's running great. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bobby Brown, Guns and Drums, VW Bugs. Hey, it's raining.